Okay, good afternoon, welcome back. This is ABV from ABV EDC store, and our time is exactly 2 o'clock in the afternoon of 04/04/2025. Okay, so we'll have to final check Sir's Microtech UTX85 in blue color or turquoise. Yeah. UTX85 double edge turquoise satin standard. Check natin. Siyempre naka-gloves tayo. Let's check this unit. So here's this unit. Very small. Don't mind the television. This is his serial number. It's officially his. Its serial number is 81887. 81887. This is his serial number for a OTF UTX85. So let's check. Nicely done. Okay. So sir, congratulations on your purchase. This will be your reliable EDC. Let's check. Very cute OTF knife. Look at that. Okay, that will be all. Thank you sir, and thank you for your purchase and support sa aking page. Goodbye.